legit. Anything you want.
XRP is illegal and Ethereum ETH is useless, Craig Wright says. The BCH hash war may be the most disastrous event for the prices of cryptocurrencies in general. Not only did the price of that altcoin collapse by almost 50% as a result of this confrontation, but practically the entire community and the rest of the projects have suffered its consequences. Something that has characterized theaters of both sides has been the discredit of their contender and bias that makes it difficult for users to forge an objective idea of the situation by analyzing the arguments of their primary sources. A few days ago, Craig Wright, one of the main promoters of BSV, one of the implementations known as Satoshi's Vision, expressed via Twitter his impressions about several cryptocurrencies, perhaps in an attempt to generate controversy or to give credibility to his fork, which has already lost half its value with respect to the original BCH blockchain. According to Wright, the two most important cryptocurrencies of the ecosystem after Bitcoin are complete failures that could be put aside. The man known by the community as Akatoshi commented that ETH lacked use cases and that after its destruction, XRP was next on the list. After saying that ETH lacked use cases hard to believe for a blockchain on which most of the projects of the cryptoverse run, Wright spoke of Ripple. In his early tweets, his approach was quite technical and respectful. After giving a technical opinion, Wright turned to a more disrespectful and rude style, increasing controversy. According to his new wave of tweets, XRP is nothing less than a scam. For Wright, XRP is actually an unregistered security. In a later tweet, Craig Wright talks about how in the future, if XRP is declared a security, all trading in this currency must be halted. Finally, he went much further, mentioning that all tokens that are put into circulation should be prohibited because they are securities. In this list includes BTC, ETH, XRP among others. Currently, several exchanges are working on making the necessary changes to list BAB Rogerverse version and BSV, the version promoted by Calvin Aaron Craig Wright, as cryptocurrencies ready to trade after the disappearance of BCH as a single cryptocurrency before the fork.
Ripple, XRP, the reversal is real. There are all sorts of times where cryptocurrency investors and traders are faked out by a price rally and decide that it might be time for an entry, only to find out, to their dismay, that the cryptocurrency that they entered has ended up pulling back and consolidating. Well, one thing is for sure, Ripple's XRP is showing a real reversal here. In the past 24 hours, on top of huge price boosts in the last couple of days, it has boasted an absolute staggering 17.8% gain, which is incredible, considering the fact that the entire cryptocurrency market has been bearish for months. It is extremely clear now that if you were to buy in the extremely oversold months of July or August, it would have been a wise decision. Unlike other cryptocurrency projects, Ripple has some concrete partnerships with real financial institutions, but this sustained price action indicates that market confidence has indeed returned to the project, as this price action is not continuing because of any one specific catalyst. Even in the past week, the keyword researches for XRP and Ripple have increased. That isn't surprising, considering there are executives on the team that have been teasing that a cryptocurrency-based product will be launched shortly, in as soon as several weeks. That is excellent news. But it needs to be noted that XRP has been affected by the market adversely, so this confirmed reversal is great, but many long-term investors, though they might be breathing a little easier, are by no means relieved. For some context, XRP dropped an astonishing 46% from June to July, a period during which Bitcoin didn't even fall by 10%, as it slid from $6,700 to $6,100. Regardless, Ripple and its upcoming products clearly mean that institutional money will be entering the market, and it's evident that investors and traders are pleased with the positive developments. It is obvious that this Ripple reversal is real, and time will tell just how far the price goes up. Bitcoin is continuing to stabilize, as some believe that a solid bottom has been formed. Of course, time will tell whether this is true. Regardless, one thing is for sure, money is coming back into the market, and many expect the entire market to be mildly bullish throughout the rest of September. The volume of the global cryptocurrency exchange market is $2 billion, more than usual, and it would appear that this means that investors and traders are placing more buy pressure on in the market. It's easy to see that Ripple is leading the pack, and that shouldn't be too surprising, because of two things: it has been severely oversold for some time now, and it also has had some exciting announcements. In addition to all of this, the upcoming developments mean that this XRP price reversal might be sustained, and the only question now is where exactly Ripple's XRP will encounter some resistance.